Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are making some delicious spaghetti. Let's get to the video. I'm going to use 1 packet of spaghetti. I'll break the spaghetti into 2. To a pot, I'm going to add enough oil, depending on the amount of spaghetti you want to cook. After preheating the oil until hot, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized chopped onions. I'll also add 2 tablespoons garlic paste, or you can use chopped garlic. I'm then going to fry the onions to golden brown. When the onions become golden brown, I'm going to add my spaghetti bit by bit. I'll then fry it so it can absorb the oil. After frying the spaghetti for a while, I'm going to add 4 medium-sized chopped tomatoes. I'll then mix everything well together, and then I'll cover it for a while so the tomatoes soften. After adding the tomatoes, steam them only for 1 minute so the spaghetti doesn't burn. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons vinegar. You can replace vinegar with lemon juice. I'll also add 2 tablespoons sugar. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon salt to taste. I'll also add some green onion. If you don't have vinegar or green onion, you don't have to add them. For seasoning, I added 4 Royco cubes. I also added some black pepper. I then mixed everything well together, and then I added water to slightly cover the spaghetti. I then cooked it according to packet instructions, which is 7 minutes. Try making your spaghetti this way and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.